Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening another box of the first set of Shadowverse Evolve Advent of Genesis in English. So without further ado, let's open the box and maybe get some good cards. Hopefully get some good cards. So last pack we had those two, Cerberus and Forte. Maybe we can get some of the others. Let's see. Once again we start with the box topper. This time we get a Harvest Festival. Very nice. Let's put that aside and start opening some packs. So things I did not consider for the last video. Looking up prices will be quite difficult, but maybe in the meantime I have found some reliable source for that. We start off with the Ivory Dragon, Dragon Emissary, an Undead King. We have another Cerberus, a Blessed Fairy Dancer, which needs to wait while I sleeve the Cerberus. Wonderful. A Blessed Fairy Dancer, another Dimension Shift. We already had one in the first box as well. A Goliath and a Strikeform Golem token. So let's move to the next pack. Already quite a good start, in my opinion. And this time we start off with a fighter, which also used to be a 2-2 instead of a 2-3 that is here. Fairy Whisperer. Also a fun card of Fairy, Forestcraft. A Fervet Soldier. We have another Lucifer. Oh wow, this I like this box. 2 legendaries in a row. That's very nice. Then we have Price of Magic. We have the Archpriest Ladia, and we have Jeanne d'Arc in her evolved form. Nice. So let's leave that. And then we have a Magic Sediment token, which we don't really care about, sadly, for the token. So on to the next pack. Can we get another legendary maybe? Doesn't say no. We start off with a Hollowed Dogma, an Angelic Sword Maiden, the Mana Elk, the Gem Staff Commander, Flame Destroyer, a Silverbolt, the Ivory Dragon evolved form, and Mimi for our Cerberus. And on to the next pack we go. So we start off with a Forged Weaponry, a Fiery Embrace, a Dread Dragon, and a Dark Dragon, Dragoon, not Dragon, Forte. Also the second one. That's pretty good. Pretty good. 3 legendaries in 4 packs. Not gonna complain. We have the Serpent Wrath and the Wind God. Also a very annoying card to play against with all the fairies that Forestcraft has. A Crafty Warlock in his evolved form and Coco. The other, well, doggy token. On to the next pack we go. I fear that the next packs might not be as exciting when we get all the legendaries up front. So we start off with a Ninja Trainee, Onslaught, an Alchemist's Workshop, a Execution, a Temple Defender, a Rhinoceros. Yes, this one is fun. Here he has Rush. I'm curious what his evolved form is. Maybe the evolved form has Storm. We have a Prism Priestess and a Holy Falcon token. And on to the next pack we go. Starting with a Blazing Breath, a Rapid Necromancer, a Snake Priestess, a Harvest Festival, Arthurian Light, and then a Righteous Devil in his normal and his evolved form. Wonderful. And then of course the token, which is again the Viking. On to the next pack. And we start off with a Spartoy Sergeant, a Mind You, the Archer, Death's Breath, Dark Offering. We have an Arcane Enlightenment, a Goblin in his evolved form, 4/4 instead of 3/4, and a Thorn Burst token. So, half time. 8 packs still left after this one. And we start with Okami, Luminous Knight, Crafty Warlock. We have a Lizardman, Elven Princess Mage, Shapeshifting Mage, the Archer in the evolved form, and Otohime's Bodyguard as a token. On to the next pack we go. Where we start off with a Skeleton Fighter, which used to be a 1/1. Now he's a 2/2 who can still gain +1/+1. We have a Razory Claw, Guardian Sun, the Prison Priestess, Goblin Mount Demon, Sacred Plea, and the evolved Shapeshifting Mage, as well as a Steelclad Knight for our token. Next pack. Yeah, as I feared, now the packs will not be as exciting as the first few. Veteran Lancer, Lightning Shooter, the Fire Lizard, who got a +1/+1 buff compared to the game version. Dragon Youth Scholar, Crazed Executioner, another Bellringer Angel, lovely. The evolved form of the Goblin Mount Demon, and the Holy Tiger for our token. So let's move to the next pack. Where we start off with a Sorcery Cache. We have a Mist Dragon here, a Spectre, and Flame and Glass. The combined form, which was also never really a thing, at least during the time I played. Really cool card. Foiling effect wise. We have a Demonic Strike, used to cost 4 mana. A Chorus of Prayer, the evolved Healing Angel, and a Guard from Golem for our token. So let's move on to the next pack. Where we start off with a Wardrobe Raider, a Curate, a Goliath, Holy Sentinel, the Trail of Light, another Royal Banner, the Maid Leader in her evolved form, and then a Fairy Wisp token. So 4 packs left. Let's see if we can still find something good after getting all those hits already. Where we start with a Sister Initiate, a Goblin. We have a foil Rabbit Necromancer, a Hell's Unleasher, Nature's Guidance. We have a Front Guard General, a Shenlong in his evolved form, and a Knight token. So third is wrong. The third to last pack with a Healing Angel, Fairy Cycle, Navy Lieutenant. We actually have the Sea Queen herself, Otohime, blessing us with her presence. And the Maid Leader. We have Mordecai, the Duelist, and we have the evolved form of Dark Dragoon Forte. That's nice. That's very nice. And then a fairy token. So, second to last pack. We start off with a Runic Guardian, a Teachings of Creation, Dragon Wings, Worm Spire, Soul Conversion, another Path to Purgatory, a Wardrobe Raider, and a Ghost Token. Also used to see a lot of those when playing Bloodcraft. Not Bloodcraft. See, now I'm mixing them together as well. Shadowcraft, of course. Not Bloodcraft. And we have the Angelic Barrage, an Elf Metallurgist, Woodland Refuge, a Ninja Master, Fate's Hand. We have a Phoenix Roost, a Evolved Minyu, and a Dragon Token. So, pretty good box, I think. You will see when you see the prices on the screen. Hopefully I can find an adequate source. So, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I will be seeing you at the next one.